Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Mibro Fit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page, and here you should see your Mibro Watch X1 on the device page. Now scroll down through this page, find the delete device button and tap on it, and then tap on confirm. The watch will disappear from the device page. Here you can tap on setting and it will redirect you to the settings for the Mibro Fit application. We can tap on this button right here to go back to the main page of settings, tap on Bluetooth, tap on the info icon next to the device called XPAW005. Here tap on forget this device and tap on forget device. And once the device disappears from the list of my devices, you can close the settings, and at this point this watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. And that's how you unpair this watch from an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.